Struggling with high blood pressure? Namaskar and welcome to class. This is a breathing practice. We will go through a few breathing techniques to naturally support healthier blood pressure levels and to calm the nervous system. I suggest you grabbing a bolster, cushion, or a pillow to sit on, and let's begin. Find yourself in a comfortable seated position. I am sitting in this way where my right foot is in front of the left ankle and I'm sitting on a bolster. But if you feel this is uncomfortable for you, then you can also cross your legs and come into Sukhasana, so cross-legged position. You can come in Vajrasana as well. Again, I would suggest using a support under your sitting bones so that you can sit for a longer duration without feeling uncomfortable. Now, once you find yourself in a seated pose, gently place your hands on your thighs. You can face your palms up or down. Slowly begin to close your eyes. Optionally, you can also soften your gaze, that is, you can look somewhere forward down on the ground at one point, and you can keep looking there if closing eyes feels uncomfortable. As you start to settle in your seated position, relax and drop your shoulders. Begin to soften the muscles of your jaw. Soften your forehead. And become the observer or the witness of your breath here. It's almost like a friend of yours was sitting next to you, breathing in a way that you could hear his breath, and you were just observing your friend. In the same way, observe your breath. As you do that, notice how your body moves and expands, opens with every breath that you take in, and how your body becomes soft. It draws in to the center as you exhale. And there's this constant rhythm of your inhales, exhales, that if you start to observe it closely and you go with that rhythm, it suddenly starts to feel very peaceful and calm. Also, a good option here is to observe your mind, which is like a wild horse. It has the tendency to go everywhere that it can. And you have to gently and with a lot of patience bring it back to the present, to the now. So together, let's now take a deep inhale through the nose. As you do that, fill up your chest, fill up your belly. Pause for a second at the top and exhale with a sigh. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through mouth. Inhale. Exhale. We'll continue with the same breathing technique, but this time the same sigh that we were doing while exhaling. We'll keep the same technique, but we'll keep the mouth shut. This is Ujjayi breathing. You will be able to hear your own breath now. So, notice if you can hear my breath and go with that rhythm, but you really don't have to go with me. You can go at your own rhythm as well, but use the sound of my breath as a guide. And of course, it's up to you as to whatever is your rhythm, go with that. So let's begin. We'll take 2 more breaths. Allow your breath to now come back to its natural rhythm and the natural breathing technique. Notice how you feel in the body, in the mind. And from here, we are going to practice Viloma to pranayama. It simply translates to against the natural course. So in this, we will go gradually, step by step. We are going to take a gentle inhale through the nose. We'll pause at the top for just a second. Then we will take a half exhale. Pause again for a second. Then full exhale, so the second half of it. And pause again for a second. And then go back to a full inhale. So we're going to go step by step because we're going to take 2 pauses basically in the exhales. And thereafter, once we do 1 or 2 cycles of that, we're going to take 3 pauses in our exhales. Please make sure that you do not feel uncomfortable while pausing. And if you do, I would suggest you don't pause and you just take a regular exhale. At any point, uneasiness or discomfort is something that we don't want to feel during this pranayama technique. So let's begin. And we're going to go with that Ujjayi breathing, which was what we were practicing right now, which is the ocean breath or the audible breath, is the breathing that we will use for Viloma 2 as well. So back to settling in our seated position. Taking your next exhale. Now take a deep, gentle inhale through your nose. Pause at the top. Half exhale. Pause. Full exhale. Pause. Take a deep inhale through nose. Gentle exhale through nose. Again, deep inhale. Pause. Half exhale. Pause. Full exhale. Pause. Deep inhale. Gentle full exhale. One more cycle of that. Deep inhale. Pause. Half exhale. Pause. Full exhale. Pause. Deep inhale. Pausing and then full exhale. So just like that, we're going to now take 3 pauses. And if you noticed, with one cycle of Viloma 2, we were taking a deep inhale and exhale to reset the breath, and then again practicing the Kriya. So we'll do the same, we'll continue with the same method. We will take a deep inhale through the nose. So first take an exhale wherever you are, back to settling in your seated pose. Take your next natural exhale. Deep inhale through your nose. Pause at the top. 1/3 exhale. Pause. 2/3 exhale. Pause. Full exhale. Pause. Deep inhale. Pause. Full exhale. Deep inhale. Pause. 1/3 exhale. Pause. 2/3 exhale. Pause. Full exhale. Pause. Deep inhale. Pause. Full exhale. Pause. Deep inhale. Pause. 1/3 exhale. Pause. 2/3 exhale. Pause. Full exhale. Empty out. Pause. Deep inhale. Pause. Full exhale. Now return to deep breathing through your nose. So 2 more cycles of deep inhale and exhale, Ujjayi breathing technique. Inhale deeply. Exhale gently, ribbon-like. Inhale deeply. Just like a thread, exhale. Now allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm and its natural ways. Again, be the observer here. Observe your breathing, the sensations in your body. Observe your mind. It's that feeling as if you are standing at the bank and watching the river flowing. Just noticing its currents, noticing how it's changing its course. Wonderful. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and blink them a few times. And that was our breathwork practice. I hope this class helps you and supports you. Don't forget to practice this regularly. Every day would be great, but at least 3 to 4 times a week would be the best. I'll see you again in another class. Until then, take care. Om Shanti.